Hi guys, hope you're doing well. It's Russell here again. Today I have a review of the Oxford Club. Basically, recently I became a member of the Chairman's Circle in the Oxford Club, so if you don't know much about the Oxford Club, I'd go and check it out. It's been established for 20 or 30 years, I think, which makes it one of the oldest financial alert services or newsletters that is out there. The Chairman's Circle includes pretty much all of their newsletters and trading services, so these are very basic newsletters that come out once a week, I think, and then all these different services with cool names like Dynamic Fortunes and Predictive Profits, Trailblazer Pro, and the Viper Alert. Yeah, so these are all ranging from medium. From long-term to really short-term trades, like the Lightning Trend Trader is a really short-term one. So anything is covered from day trading almost, or at least overnight holds, all the way to multiple year holds, including stuff with bonds and things as well. All of them are a mixture of stock and options. You can choose basically whether you're going to take the trade with the stock or the option. They give recommendations on both. So anyway, I'm really excited about this, and I'm going to be trading some of these services and reviewing them on here and on the blog. If you want to follow exactly and get notified when these reviews are coming out, I would go and join the free Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below to go and check that out. It's an awesome community. I think there's over almost 6,000 members now, so that's pretty cool. All people talking about these different alert services and their experiences with them. So anyway, let's get started on this review. I decided to test out this one, Technical Pattern Profits, first, just because I like the sound of it. It's basically a swing trading system where you just hold it overnight. So let's go and have a look at what you get. Let's open this up. So basically you get an alerts thing, a portfolio, a different video series. The alerts come out via email and they're also posted on here. So let's open this, take its time. There we go. So here we go. So here's some of the alerts that have come out and what you get. So you get things like, we have a signal to short, sell short, gives you the ideas, gives you the trades. Generally these holds are a few days to weeks, and then you give a short chart and stuff to kind of get you going. And they come out probably, as you can see, like every other day. Maybe there's a few days in between, but there's plenty of these trades that come out. So yeah, and they give a sell and a buy. It's pretty cool, pretty easy to follow. So the only thing I don't like too much about the service, and it's kind of a small point, is the name and the advertising makes it sound like this is some amazing technical pattern. So they advertise it as like, uses a simple technical pattern to get profits from the market. And this is probably a small point. I mean, it's not really worth kind of dwelling on, but really all they're doing is looking at support and resistance levels, which is like trading 101, right? So Mark Lichtenfeld, who's the guy that runs this service, has been trading for about 30 years, and he basically just says that this idea of a channel between resistance up here and support down here is basically the most reliable system, so very simple, very basic, that he's ever traded, and that's what he focuses on. So the only thing is, if you're going to sign up for the service and you expect some crazy like unknown indicator, technical pattern, then you'd be a little disappointed to find out that it's just simple channels like this. But simple doesn't mean it doesn't work, and it does. So I tested it out and wrote this review. I'll leave a link in the description below to this full review. This is Mark, this guy. And basically I took a few of these trades and I've been watching some of the most recent ones. Here's some more information about the Oxford Club. Basically it's huge and it has so many different things. The aim of the Oxford Club seems to be at more wealthy longer term investors. But they've recently, seems to be like the focus has moved on to shorter term trading. They have this idea of a wealth pyramid where the bottom of the pyramid is like long term, like, buy and hold, really disruptive companies and all that kind of stuff. And as it goes up, they become more and more short term. So they really advocate that approach. They call it the Oxford Wealth Pyramid, I think. Yeah, so Mark Lichtenfeld sounds German. I'm not sure if he is or not. He's the advisor at Technical Pattern Profits. He has a really good background. So the one thing I like about the Oxford Club is all their analysts have like really solid financial backgrounds, often as fund managers on Wall Street, and they all have very good credentials for what they're doing. Anyway, if we go down, oh yeah, he has these 2 books. I need to read those. I haven't read them yet, but they look quite good. So you don't have to drive an Uber in retirement and get rich with dividends. And dividends is something that I haven't